objectives in a sustainable manner. The Indian economy will face significant challenges in meeting its energy needs in the coming decade. Energy crisis refers to any bottleneck in the supply of energy resources to an economy.
The energy crisis is the concern that the world's demands on the limited natural resources that are used to power industrial society are diminishing as the demand rises. These natural resources are in limited supply. While they do occur naturally, it can take hundreds or thousands of years to replenish the stores. Overconsumption, overpopulation, poor infrastructure, unexplored renewable energy options, delay in commissioning of power plants, wastage of energy, poor distribution systems, major accidents and natural calamities are few of the causes of global energy crisis.
What is energy conservation? Energy conservation is the effort made to reduce the consumption of energy by using less of an energy service. This can be achieved either by using energy more efficiently or by reducing the amount of service used. Energy conservation is a part of the concept of eco-sufficiency. Energy Conservation Day is celebrated on December 14 every year since 1991. Energy can be conserved by reducing wastage and losses, improving efficiency through technological upgrades, and improved operation and maintenance. On a global level, energy use can also be reduced by the stabilization of population growth. It is at the top of the sustainable energy hierarchy. It also lowers energy costs by preventing future resource depletion.
What is the impact of energy conservation? The environmental impact of energy efficient practices at one's home can be significant. The Indian domestic sector produces approximately 19% of the national greenhouse gas emissions in 2016. Of that, 69% of residential emissions were the result of electricity use, while direct fossil fuel combustion for home heating making up the other 32%. When you consider that such a large percent of household GHG emissions are tied to electricity usage, it becomes clear that home energy efficiency measures can result in significant GHG emissions reductions. In most cases, the money you save from implementing energy efficient measures translates directly into fewer GHG emissions due to the nature of electricity generation. For instance, electricity for lighting makes up around 20% of the average electricity bill. If you replace your incandescent light bulbs with Energy Star qualified CFL bulbs, you can reduce the amount of electricity you use to light your home by around 75%. If one incandescent light bulb was replaced with a CFL bulb in every household, it would save enough electricity in a year to power 3 million homes, which would reduce annual emissions by the equivalent of taking around 800,000 cars off the road. CFL bulbs also offer environmental benefits in reduced mercury emissions, combating a growing concern for both freshwater and marine habitats.
Reducing your energy use can lower the amount of electricity your utility needs to produce,
which you can effectively reduce your personal greenhouse gas emissions and your carbon footprint with energy efficiency measures. In addition to the direct financial and environmental benefits of implementing energy efficiency measures, coupling energy efficiency with other green practices can offer even further advantages. For example, savings on your electricity bill can be diverted into charging electric vehicles, which further contributes to household savings on fuel and electricity expenditures. Solar panel owners can also generate higher surplus of net metering credits, which can cut annual energy costs even further. Due to the variety of benefits, implementing energy efficiency practices at home should be and has been a growing priority among energy-savvy homeowners and renters alike.
How to conserve energy on a national scale? Energy tax. Some countries employ energy or carbon taxes to motivate energy users to reduce their consumption. Carbon taxes can motivate consumption to shift to energy sources with less emission of carbon dioxide, such as solar, wind, hydroelectricity, nuclear power, while avoiding cars with combustion engines, jet fuel, oil, fossil gas, and coal. Building design. Building technologies and smart meters can allow energy users, both commercial and residential, to visualize the impact their energy use can have in their workplace or homes. Advanced real-time energy metering can help people save energy by their actions. However, machines are required to transform energy from one form to other. The wear and friction of the components of these machines while running cause losses of very high amounts of energy and very high related costs. It is possible to minimize these losses by adopting green engineering practices to improve life cycle of the components. Consumer products. By introducing more of energy-saving, environment-friendly products and appliances into the mainstream markets, we can help in energy conservation. Instead of buying the cheaper incandescent bulbs, opt for modern LED bulbs. Even though these energy-efficient variants have higher upfront costs, the longer lifespan and low energy requirements can save consumers a considerably large amount of money. Widespread adoption of LED lighting over the next 20 years could result in about $265 billion worth of savings. Transportation. Zoning reforms that allow greater urban density as well as designs for walking and bicycling can greatly reduce energy consumed for transportation. The use of telecommuting by major corporations is a significant opportunity to conserve energy, as many Americans now work in service jobs that enable them to work from home instead of commuting to work each day.